Can you see yourself in the 2014 Toyota Tundra? With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Get the features you need and the comfort and style you've been hoping for. This well-equipped vehicle is an excellent value and will help you make the most of every drive. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, cooled front seat, power passenger seat, premium sound system, satellite radio, fog lamps, heated mirrors. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.